Welcome to this lesson on monetary policy versus fiscal policy. These are two fundamental tools governments and central banks use to manage and stabilize the economy. Understanding the difference between these policies is essential for grasping how economic decisions are made at the highest levels. Throughout this video, you'll learn what each policy does, who controls them, and how they work together to influence economic growth, employment, and inflation. Let's start with monetary policy. Monetary policy refers to actions taken by a central bank to control the money supply and interest rates in an economy. Central banks like the Federal Reserve in the United States, the Reserve Bank of India, or the European Central Bank are responsible for implementing monetary policy. The primary goals are to control inflation, stabilize the currency, and maintain economic growth. An important feature of monetary policy is that central banks operate independently from the government, meaning they can make decisions without direct political interference. Central banks use several key tools to implement monetary policy. First, they adjust interest rates, raising them to slow down borrowing and spending, or lowering them to encourage economic activity. Second, they set reserve requirements, which determine how much money banks must hold in reserves versus how much they can lend out. Third, they conduct open market operations, buying or selling government bonds to directly affect the money supply in the economy. Finally, they operate the discount window, which provides emergency lending to banks at a special discount rate. Each of these tools helps central banks fine-tune economic conditions. Now let's turn to fiscal policy. Fiscal policy refers to government decisions on taxation and spending that influence the overall economy. Unlike monetary policy, fiscal policy is controlled directly by the government and legislature, not by an independent central bank. The main objectives are to affect economic growth, create employment opportunities, and redistribute income. Because fiscal policy involves government budgets and tax laws, it requires approval through political processes, which means changes often take longer to implement compared to monetary policy adjustments. Fiscal policy operates through two main categories of tools. The first is government spending, which includes investments in infrastructure projects like roads and bridges, funding for public services such as education and healthcare, social programs that support citizens, and defense spending for national security. The second category is taxation, where governments can adjust income tax rates, modify corporate taxes on businesses, change sales and excise taxes on goods, and offer tax credits and deductions to incentivize certain behaviors. By adjusting these levers, governments can either stimulate the economy or cool it down when necessary. The differences between monetary and fiscal policy are significant. Monetary policy is managed by the central bank, while fiscal policy is managed by the government. Central banks can make independent decisions quickly, whereas fiscal policy requires legislative approval, which can be a lengthy political process. Monetary policy works by controlling the money supply and setting interest rates, while fiscal policy operates through government spending levels and tax rates. Additionally, monetary policy can typically be implemented much more quickly than fiscal policy, which often requires debate, voting, and formal approval before changes can take effect. Although monetary and fiscal policies are managed by different institutions, they must coordinate to effectively stabilize the economy. During a recession, when economic activity slows down, the central bank typically lowers interest rates to make borrowing cheaper, while the government increases spending to inject money directly into the economy. Conversely, during periods of high inflation, when prices rise too quickly, the central bank raises interest rates to reduce spending, while the government may reduce its spending or increase taxes to pull money out of the economy. This coordination is crucial for maintaining economic stability. Let's recap the key points. Monetary policy controls the money supply and is managed by independent central banks through tools like interest rates and reserve requirements. Fiscal policy manages government spending and taxation and is controlled by elected governments and legislatures. Both of these tools work together in a coordinated manner to stabilize the economy, addressing issues like inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. Understanding both monetary and fiscal policy helps explain the economic decisions made by policymakers and how these decisions affect everyday life. Thank you for watching, and I hope this clarifies the important distinction between these two essential economic tools.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.